For the first question concerning the feeder and service demand for 86.75 kilowatt dryers in a commercial laundromat, the answer is 70 kilowatts. This calculation relies on NEC Table 220.55. Firstly, calculate the total connected load of the dryers. This is done by multiplying the number of dryers by their individual power rating. So, 8 dryers multiplied by 6.75 kilowatts equals 54 kilowatts. Secondly, apply the demand factor from NEC Table 220.55. According to the table, for 8 dryers, a demand factor of 1.25 is used. Thirdly, calculate the feeder and service demand. Multiply the total connected load by the demand factor. 54 kilowatts multiplied by 1.25 equals 70 kilowatts. Therefore, the feeder and service demand for 86.75 kilowatt dryers is 70 kilowatts. Moving to the second question, addressing the feeder and service demand load for 7 commercial washing machines at 1500 volt amps each. The answer is 10,500 volt amps. This calculation is based on NEC Table 220.14b. To calculate the total demand, multiply the number of washing machines by their individual volt-ampere rating. Thus, 7 washing machines multiplied by 1500 volt amps equals 10,500 volt amps. Therefore, the feeder and service demand load for 7 commercial washing machines at 1500 volt amps each is 10,500 volt amps. Finally, considering the third question regarding the feeder and service or overcurrent protection device, general lighting demand load for a 3,200 square foot dance club, the answer is 8,000 volt amps. This calculation references NEC Table 220.43. To determine the demand load, multiply the square footage of the dance club by the volt ampere per square foot value specified in NEC Table 220.43 for dance clubs. So, 3,200 square feet multiplied by 2.5 volt amps per square foot equals 8,000 volt amps. Therefore, the feeder and service general lighting demand load for a 3,200 square foot dance club is 8,000 volt amps.